Here we go, ready to play. It's kind of like watching UFC when they wrestle.
I quit for a while and just got out of it. But I started playing when I was a kid.
We got the kiddie pool out because Buddha loves water, but Lincoln does not like water. So we thought maybe Buddha would teach Lincoln how to play in the water. There you go, get him.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, back before they were famous when they were playing on the club circuit and stuff, he was the rhythm guitarist and
There we go.
stuff.
Get him, Lincoln. Come on, Lincoln. There you go, drop, drop. Good little wrestler. Yeah. It's a good little wrestler. They're the same energy level. They both get tired at the same time. It's kind of funny. And the tongues are a wagon. They're so tired.
Yes. I have that one on there. I haven't tried to play it. I think it's the Safaris or something's original one. But anyway, that's on that music too. Yeah, that's a great one.
Wait, wipe that on the guitar?
Yeah.
No, when I was in junior high. I took some lessons way back when I was
Good dogs. I'm going to wrap this up. Good dogs. Good dogs.